Okay, I think you got her out.
And today I'm going to be playing with some slimes here. I have all these slimes. I have 2 more over here that I dropped, so I'm going to just grab them. So,
and me and you are
more.
right next to each other.
These are not my slimes, first of all. These are my sister's friend's slime. My sister's slime.
I need water.
This is my sister's slime anyway. So all of these is my sister's. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you for giving me credit. Hi.
6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 slimes. 10 slimes.
I think Yana is at home.
Wait. 10.
I don't have them. I really don't have them in the freezer.
10.
Like where Michael at? I can't even see where Michael's at.
He don't got his thing on.
11, 12.
You're hunting somebody down.
12 slimes, y'all. The bag slimes are going to be down here. Let's try these slimes. Let's move these slimes down here because we're going to a little bit of slime.
Let's put some water in this slime. This slime, it's like
Okay, so let's pour this slime out. This slime is like
Usually slime is hard.
not sticky.
Yeah, but it's hard a little bit.
It's a little bit hard.
My fingers are getting green.
My fingers are green a little bit. I have all this slime.
I'm gonna let my slime sit. Like I can see how it's gonna be like later. See if it's
Okay, this slime is a little bit hard.
Yeah, let it sit.
And it's really like squeezy. Let's put this slime away. I give that a 5 out of 10. Wait, no, a 5 out of 5.
5 out of 10.
Mm-hmm.
It goes to 5 out of 10.
Well, 5 out of 10.
Oh,
Let's
Dang, your slime is bigger than mine.
Can I edit all that paint?
This slime is hard enough for me.
Ooh.
I know it got hard.
Give me some half.
Oh, ain't I the one who put this color and stuff in here?
Okay, that one's hard. You can put that away when you like. Oh, I want
It's
this.
not that hard. It
This
feels,
one is like a
it
purplish
feels
one.
sticky. I'm not gonna make it the same one, but different color.
Oh no, this one's hard too.
With you, babe.
We're gonna play this blue toothpaste slime.
This one is a little bit.
Oh yes, definitely blue toothpaste.
How you faking?
I'm not faking. I smell toothpaste in that.
She's faking, guys. It's
I'm not faking.
She always
Let me
do
get some.
that.
Why I do? That is not your video eventually.
Well, this just made my stomach hurt when I smelled that. For real.
Okay.
This
This slime is not that hard, and it doesn't make like slime.
over there.
I mean sounds. First of all, anyway.
How did my chair get
All the
on?
slimes that I tried, I'm gonna put them down here.
Alright.
I think I only tried 2 slimes.
This is trash. I've been saving trash. I don't know why.
I lost the other slimes. Why did y'all take the other slimes? I gave the other slimes to y'all. I didn't know we tried.
She put them away.
I don't know. Slimes go in the closet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could
Baking
put them away.
Where?
This one's not that
What we
hard,
do
but
after
it's
this?
just slime sounds, first of all. I need that cat.
We should go to the store.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta save it.
Yeah, we can save $1.
Yeah, I got $2, y'all. This slime smells like
It's all I got.
whatever. I don't know.
How many
When
do
you're done, put
you
them in the
have?
closet.
These are not that hard anyway.
It's fluffy slime, but it don't
But
stretch.
it's not stretchy. Here, you want to post that?
This is supposed to be watery slime.
Here, can I show them?
Oh yeah, I was cracking that.
This is some water slime that she made.
Why
It
it smell
is
like
eventually-
gel or something like
Right?
What?
It's like
that?
this.
Yes.
Oh, it's kind of shaving for a minute.
Okay.
Oh
This
yeah, that's why. I broke this in
It's a
pieces.
hard thing, so I'm gonna move on with that. Hey, you're getting that everywhere.
No.
Tonight.
What is that water
Susie, if we
stuff?
stay at night tonight, You're sleeping in J. Marie's bed.
What is that water stuff?
I always wanted to sleep on my own bed.
You do sometimes. Sometimes.
I'm trying to slide.
What is this? There's like a rope is in here.
Move it.
Yeah, my grandma started cutting on everybody.
For real.
She said she's going to slap the fire out of that girl, right?
And then
look-
she said
look
to
at-
honor. Even I be liking that dirty little boy.
And then you're like, look at Yaya looking like a grandma.
Okay, so
My grandma cuts on anybody.
this is like not a pokey sound one, but eventually it's a good slime. It's like butter slime. Let's try this slime here. That been soaking
Wow.
inside some food
Oh,
coloring.
I made that. I took the
It's
food
been soaking
coloring.
in food coloring.
Yeah. I took the food coloring out of that.
I mean that thing.
Okay,
Yeah.
There's
So-
a rope stuck in
Where's
here.
this
the
is
top?
not
Where's
pokey.
the top? Give me the top. Wait, no. That's not the
Found
top.
it. This is a rope in here.
The top is right
I
here.
got like a piece of weave in here. I don't know.
No, it's that for that slime.
What?
It's right there.
What?
It's
Oh.
stretchy if you stretch it slow, but it's not stretchy. I don't like that slime.
You better not be like an dirty little boy though.
Here, the
That's
tap's
dirty.
right there.
I'm never gonna get over
Um,
how my grandma can cut on somebody's
This
child.
is the slime my sister was playing with, first of all. There is some beads in this one.
Mm.
And
I got
just
kind
like
of
regular,
Oh,
Mom.
like mama.
Can you please?
there's regular,
Remember you said you could say that I on my phone?
tie, regular
I would
blue
use that
tie.
advantage, and she said no. I'm gonna take that advantage on her. I'm like,
Yeah, but actually, if I could, sometimes something like that figure out. And you said no, and it'll be like, well, you said that last
And you know
weekend.
dang well what she's gonna say.
You said last,
So I like this slime,
last weekend that I
a lot.
can
but this is not like,
well, next weekend is here, so mommy, let's go.
but it's stretchy.
And I'm not
but
staying
not
at
a
your
lot.
house because I will get
But
extra.
not like,
I'll be mad.
two more
say.
slimes.
Mommy,
And then two bags.
can I, Sarah, can I tell you Uasia's house?
Oh, I already tried this one. This one's pokey.
Okay. I don't know what she said. She said something gonna start something about this.
She said, come on down, talk something about this. So, I popped it 4 holes.
I have to lead her.
Yeah, it's
Your mom
really,
won't say no. Your mom already
it's,
said
I,
no.
it's really pokey and I really like it.
'Cause I don't want to say no at your house because you already know.
Here's a bag slime.
You looked at all of them slimes.
Duh. Have enough time on here before it turns off.
Hey, honey, baby. All y'all hoes to boy fight me. Fight this phone. Come, my sister right here. Like, what's up? I be making slime like every other day.
Y'all remember when I made that girl no lead? Yeah. I had no bruises. She was like bleeding. And I had nothing on me.
I'm about to call tomorrow and be like, can I come over? Or it's your fucking Ethan.
Should I live at Ethan's house?
She can't Ethan right now. So, like,
I'm like,
Let's go to Aaron's house and beat him up.
nah.
Yeah.
He don't got nothing. Toss shrimp.
No, I said to beat him up.
We gonna run tomorrow. So on Monday, it's probably like, I'm gonna make one.
Okay, so that black
I'm
slime
like, you guys shrimp dick.
is
And
a little
if
bit
he be like, you wanna see?
small.
I'm be like, yeah. You get me too?
We're gonna put this one away because this one's
I'm
like,
like, yes, daddy.
I know you want me, daddy. And daddy is a patty. Like daddy,
She said, I know you want me, daddy. Something patty.
I said this daddy is a patty. Like that. Where's my other? Oh. Let's see.
Here, put these back.
Don't read.
Put half of this back in the closet, half of this back over there on the floor.
I have too much slime.
I'm keeping
Oh,
one
my
of them.
stomach just growled.
I want to keep
I
one
feel
of
like I
them.
got a fart.
No. Here, you could keep
I want this
Give
one.
her this one, that one,
No!
that one,
No, you should stop.
that one. Cause all those is messed up.
No, I want all of these actually.
No, just.
No, I want these.
No, I'ma just pick one.
Here, I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give you my copy one.
I want one of these. I want this one.
You know she's not gonna give you that.
I'm not giving you that one.
It's not even bogey.
Here's Claire's slime.
I don't want that.
Here.
Can I have that for some over there? Can I have that for some over there?
No.
Please? No, it's not even a freaking slime.
Oh, yeah, this is some.
No, that's Susie's slime.
Okay, this is my slime, mate.
That was clear.
So I hope y'all like this
So
video
I
and
took it out.
Follow, like, subscribe. Drop a comment
like,
below.
subscribe, and put in
Comment.
this. I'll put the description down below. My sister's.
No.
Yeah, I gotta use the record. Uasia Brown, like, hey, gang. Let's go, ho.
Yeah.
So,
So.
somebody want to fight my sister Susie. We can get popping.
Subscribe and put that notification, put that bell,
Yes.
so y'all never miss a video I post on YouTube. So hope y'all like this video and bye y'all.